Okay, for this question, because now the change for both tank A and tank B is given to you, okay, which is the 82.7 liters and the 32.3 liters. So instead of doing before, change after, okay, instead of doing that, we draw model instead. Okay, we draw a model since both changes for A and B is given to you. Okay, so at first tank A and tank B had an equal amount of water. So very simple. Okay, so very simple. You just start with tank A and tank B. Just draw an equal length for each of the tanks. Zahara, correct? Good. Okay, so now you want to remove 82.7 liters from tank A first. Okay, the word respectively means first value goes to tank A. So tank A, I remove 82.7 liters. When I remove means I shade it off. Okay, then I label 82.7 at the top here. Now you do the same for tank B. So tank B, you want to remove 32.3. So 32.3 is a lesser amount than 82.7. Okay, so 32.3, you shade off like this. Okay, and then after that, what you can do is, okay, so you label 32.3. So now if you read on, they say in the end, tank B had thrice as much as tank A. So if tank B had thrice in the end, okay, so what do I do if tank B left over here? Okay, so if tank B had thrice, yeah, Sarah, you want to tell me what I do with this?
Make it into 3 units.
Yes, you just cut it into 3 equal units. So I was telling your friends just now, say that when you draw your model, right, if you are unable to cut this into 3 equal parts, it's okay. You don't have to cut into 3 equal parts. You can just simply, okay, you can just simply write it here. Okay, you just simply write it here. Okay, my pen is lagging. Then you just write here 3 units. And then you just label here 1 unit, also can. Okay, you can do this also if you cannot cut it into 3 equal parts. Okay, so can you see from here, what's the difference in units? Okay, Sage, 2 units, right, is it? Yeah, okay, so the difference will be your 2 units here. So these 2 units, so how do I find the value of that 2 units? Okay, Sage, correct, good. Matthew, you're still wrong. Okay, both tanks should have an equal amount at first. So your tank A and B should have the same amount. Now your tank A and B, you are giving me different amounts. Okay, so Matthew, what do you do from here? How do I find the 2 units? Okay, Matthew. Pyro, what do you think? How do you find the 2 units?
So to find the 2 units, we have to take 82.7 minus 32.3.
Very good. Okay, so the 2 units will be this part here. Okay, the 2 units will be this one, the one I shade in purple color. Okay, so 2 units, 82.7 minus 32.3, you should have 50.4. Again, just find 1 unit, just divide by 2, you should get 25.2.
25.2.
Yes. So
After
now,
that,
yeah, what do I do next?
and then next when we find about, at first we do 25.2 plus 82.7.
Very good. So now I know 25.2 is this 1 unit. So I put it in over here. I label in my model. So since you want each tank at first, you can just use tank A. Correct? You don't have to use tank B because tank B you still need to times 3. A bit more troublesome. So tank A, you just need to simply use the value of 1 unit plus the 82.7. Okay, so you should get 107.9 liters. Okay, so well done for those who got correct.